Boom, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So to start this video off today, we're going to be installing a new front lip on Man's car. Well, it's more like a splitter. So yeah, I'll show you guys. So here it is, Man's front splitter. Basically it's just like a, I don't know, plastic part, whatever. He's had this for a while, if you remember. He did a mini unpackaging in one of the videos. But yeah, since then he hasn't really installed it. So today we're gonna attempt to install it. Alright guys, so first things first, we're gonna jack up Man's car and then we'll figure out what to do. So Man has a plan, which is to clamp the two sides together, and then what's after that?
Just wing it.
Hey, I like that. He just don't give a fuck, he's just gonna wing it. He's just gonna do whatever it feels right, and then yeah.
If it fucks up, we can buy carbon fiber one.
Hey, carbon fiber, hey.
Carbon fibers.
Right, so there it is. What Man's going to be doing is clamping it to get a rough estimation, and then he's going to do his measurements, and then he can start drilling. Damn.
Oh.
What?
Oh, I thought it dropped on that side. I think it did.
No
I'm trying to get it flush like that side.
Oh, Man said if this video gets 4 likes right now, he'll leave the lip like this. He'll run it like this. Damn. Ooh.
Fuck, hella sticky.
But it sticks out a lot.
We'll put it back like a few centimeters.
Shit, look at that. Look at the gap. Like,
The sea.
damn.
I dig it, but then in the sun's gonna flop.
Yeah, like,
Yeah, it's polyurethane. It's gonna like warp down.
alright, so right now what we're testing is how far we can turn. Because as you saw before, the lip stuck out a bit too much. So yeah, you're good that way? Yeah, you're good. But yeah, anyways, what we were testing just then was see if the tires are actually clear. Because as you saw before, the front lip was sticking out too much, or the splitter. So Man decided to push this a bit back, and we just want to see if it rubs or not. Worst comes to worst, we can always just angle grind it out. But yeah, it's up to him, eh?
Yeah.
Shit.
Check this out, like 100 times way better.
Oh yeah, the other day, Man got these new white angel lights installed. Shit. Pretty nice. 100 times way better. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but Man's using scissors to cut the plastic. Cause yeah, he re-measured it of how he liked the lip to sit, and he's tested it by turning the wheel once again, but the thing was rubbed. So what he done there was just snip a little off, so then hopefully when he turns it'll clear it. Cause you know, before it was sticking out way too much, he didn't really want that, so we pushed it in more, but then he hit the wheels and we have to cut it. Yep, clear.
But I think I'll probably just cut a bit more to see.
Yeah, I think it's
A tiny bit.
yeah, it clears, but just a tiny bit, I reckon. there it is, guys. Manhs new front splitter. Alright, I'm not too sure how well you guys can see it. I'm looking at the screen right now and can't really notice it. But there it is, Manhs new front splitter. Here. Look at that. Damn. So it doesn't stick out as much as before now. If you guys see this and you think it looks weird, don't worry, brother. It's meant to look like that. No, checks. It's because he added the new front lip extension, or back then, and the lip doesn't sit flush. So you know, this point here is lower than here. So obviously, when you drill it, this part is going to sit here, and this part has to sit up. And you know, we didn't want to leave the middle not bolted in because it will just sag off and probably unsafe. So that is why there is a slight bend. Hey, who's that? Shit!
I'm looking 100 times way better.
Damn, boy!
Konnichiwa. What's up, G?
Damn.
This guy's done already.
Yeah, well, I just finished the stint.
Oh, it sounds good.
Yeah,
Oh, give it a rev, G.
Who remembers this, huh? When we did DJ's wheels in
Give it a
black. Damn. Look at that. Damn. Damn. Alright, so there it is, guys. Manhs BMW, the new front splitter. Can't really tell as the sun is up now and the shadow is out. But there it is, new front lip. Very nice. Shit. 100 times way better. Ooh.
In what is it? Tuesday today? In 2 days, it's Valentine's Day. So a couple of vids ago, Visit Arcade Donkey said something about a kissing booth. So if you're single, come down here to ZPG headquarters. And we're gonna hold a kissing booth. Doesn't matter if you're a guy or a girl. Kissing booth, we're down for whatever.
We also got gaming.
Ooh, what else?
Some sporting competitions.
BF4 baby. Oh, BF4.
Sporting competitions. And we might do a kissing booth.
Get the fuck out of here. So yeah, make sure you come down Thursday, Valentine's Day.
The video probably won't be out Thursday because you know we're still gonna do something else. Next Valentine's.
Next Valentine's, prepare yourself.
Yeah. So next Valentine's, BZ Arcade Donkey's free, and yeah. So yeah, that's gonna do it for Manhs lip install. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Who knew this scissors can cut this polyurethane A? Well, let's get cut Hack's bumper. Let's get cut Hack's bumper.